For centuries, the ocean has been a graveyard of human ambition. Beneath the calm blue surface lies a silent world of forgotten steel, shattered dreams, and colossal machines swallowed by time. Shipwrecks, once symbols of power, trade, and exploration, now rest motionless in the darkness, slowly dissolving into rust and coral. But what if one of these giants could rise again, not to sail, but to live? Today's story is not about salvage. It is not about treasure. And it is certainly not about nostalgia. This is the story of how modern engineering challenges the very definition of a home. Imagine descending hundreds of meters beneath the ocean's surface. Light fades, pressure builds, water surrounds you with relentless force. And there, emerging from the shadows, is a massive shipwreck. Its hull scarred by decades underwater. Its steel eaten by salt and time. To most, this is an endpoint, a monument to failure. To engineers, it is a beginning. Using advanced robotic systems, laser mapping, and structural analysis, teams begin the impossible task, transforming a decaying shipwreck into a fully sealed, habitable space beneath the sea. Every centimeter of corroded metal is scanned, every weak point reinforced, every cut calculated with millimeter precision. This is not renovation. This is resurrection. The ocean is unforgiving. Water pressure increases by the ton with every meter of depth. One mistake means instant flooding. One miscalculation means total collapse. There is no margin for error. Yet step by step, the impossible becomes methodical. Rust is removed. Hull sections are reshaped. Massive pressure-resistant glass panels are installed, thicker than anything used in skyscrapers above water. Steel frames are reinforced to withstand forces greater than those experienced by submarines. Then comes the most astonishing moment. Water is slowly evacuated. Atmosphere is introduced. Oxygen flows where seawater once ruled. What was a wreck becomes a room. What was silence becomes breath. This video takes you through that transformation, from the first robotic inspection to the final interior build. From raw mechanical force to refined architectural precision. From abandoned steel to a luxury ecological villa hidden beneath the ocean. This is not science fiction. This is not fantasy. This is engineering pushing beyond boundaries, proving that even at the bottom of the sea, human ingenuity can build a home. And this is where the journey begins.
Make sure that's perfectly level before I sink this screw.
It is. Just a little tighter on the left side.
A little to the left. Steady now.
How's that look? Is it centered?
Almost. Okay, right there. There.
Perfect fit.
The sound system calibration is complete. sounds incredible.
What you are seeing now was once thought impossible. Where rusted steel once collapsed under pressure, there is now stability. Where darkness once dominated, there is light. And where the ocean once claimed victory, human engineering has quietly rewritten the outcome. This underwater villa is more than a spectacular transformation, it is a statement. A statement that technology does not merely conquer nature, but can coexist with it. Every system inside this structure is designed to respect the surrounding ecosystem. Water filtration systems prevent contamination. Energy flows are optimized. Artificial lighting mimics natural cycles to reduce environmental stress. The ocean remains alive, undisturbed, just outside the glass. Yet behind this beauty lies relentless discipline. Every bolt, every weld, every panel has been calculated against pressure, corrosion, fatigue, and time. This is not luxury built on excess. It is luxury built on precision, the kind that only exists when engineering is pushed to its absolute limit. The transformation of this shipwreck did not erase its past, it honored it. Scars remain in the steel. Original structural elements are preserved. The soul of the ship still exists, now repurposed for a future no one imagined when it first sank beneath the waves. This project raises a powerful question. If we can turn a wreck at the bottom of the ocean into a livable, sustainable home, what else have we underestimated? Abandoned infrastructure, decommissioned platforms, forgotten industrial giants. Across the world, massive structures lie unused, dismissed as obsolete. But this story proves that with vision, engineering, and courage, endings can become foundations. The ocean has always represented mystery and fear, but today, it also represents opportunity, not reckless exploitation, but intelligent adaptation. This underwater villa is not a blueprint for everyone. It is not meant to be replicated endlessly. It is a proof of concept, a reminder that innovation thrives where constraints are strongest. As the camera pulls back, as the ocean slowly reclaims the frame, remember this: Human progress is not defined by how high we build, but by how far we are willing to go to rethink what is possible. From a forgotten shipwreck to a living space beneath the sea. This is the power of engineering. And this is only the beginning.